Time run around in the yard because we're big enough now. Oh boy. You guys, there's a big toy in the middle here. Come on. Come on, kiddos. Right now we're just enjoying the fact that we can run around. Come here. Come on, guys. They're gonna catch me. All right. Hi, guys. Hello. Hi, kiddos. The big yard's fun. Hello. Yes. There's so much stuff to do. Hi, Benny. What you doing? You gonna bounce it? I see. You know, you guys are fun. Yeah, bathroom time's good. Okay. Who's coming? Nobody. Yay, Onyx, you're first. Hello, hi, Benny, you're next. Good job, boys. Hello. Everybody else is running around. Hi, guys. Hey, kiddos. You guys enjoying the big yard? Yay, it's fun. Hello. I thought they'd enjoy this more, but apparently the big yard's just too much fun. You got something in your mouth? Oh, good, a piece of bark. We love bark. Yes, there's a fence there. Hey, guys. Come on. Wow. You can see we're quite active. We're getting more coordinated all the time. We're definitely enjoying our freedom and exploring everything. Sorry about the shadows. I know you can't see, but there's always fun stuff. Hello, pretty girl. Hey, you guys. Gosh, that's awesome. Hi, Benny. How are you? Hi, guys. What's up? Hello. Hi. Having a good time? Yes. Here we go. Hey, kids. It's fun. I could do this all day. Whew, who ran through there? Onyx. He just ran straight through. Good boy. Who else is getting it? Well, we'll play with this later. Who knows? Right now we've got something interesting in the corner. Probably a piece of citrus fruit. And we have bark, which is always fun.